Boy, people are going to hate me for this one. Think your Nissan's going to last forever? Sorry, think again. The hard truth is too many Nissans are failing before they even hit 100,000 miles. That might not be a surprise to some of you. It's not just older models. Some of the company's newest cars and SUVs are plagued with problems that could drain your wallet long before you're ready to sell. You got a Nissan right now? Today I'm going to break down which models to watch out for, why they don't last, and what you should do and buy instead. This may not be breaking news, but Nissan's big problem has been transmission reliability. Their CVTs, the continuously variable transmissions, have been notorious for early failures. We're talking breakdowns at 60 and 80,000 miles. When that happens, you're facing a repair bill of $4,000 to $7,000, often more than the car's worth by then. By the way, Nissan, or if you own a Nissan, this isn't personal, I'm just telling you what I know. Here are the models you really need to think twice about if you plan on keeping your car long term. Number one, the Nissan Altima. MSRP new, between $26,000 and $36,000 new, fuel economy 32 combined. The pros are a comfortable ride and good fuel economy, but the cons, CVT failures are rampant, plus electrical gremlins. Why it won't last? Owners report replacements at 70 and 90,000 miles. Nissan Rogue is next, MSRP between 28 and 38, fuel economy is 30 combined. Popular size, decent safety scores, but you can say it right now, transmission failures plus an underpowered engine. High repair costs will kill the resale value of that vehicle for sure. Next up, a vehicle I have considered in the past, but not now, the Nissan Pathfinder. Between $36,000 and $50,000 is the MSRP new, fuel economy not great, 23 combined. It's a big family hauler, but early CVT models notorious for failing. Even newer ones have engine and fuel system complaints. Why it won't last? Heavy SUV puts extra stress on weak transmissions. The Nissan Sentra is next, between 22 and 25 grand, very affordable, fuel economy decent, 34 combined. So yeah, affordable up front and great fuel economy, but the same CVT weakness plus cheap interior parts. It is designed to meet price point, not the longevity. Next one is the Nissan Murano. Remember when that hit the scene? Between 39 and 45 new, fuel economy not great, 23 combined. Yeah, it's a comfortable cruiser, but transmission failures plus suspension issues, big repair bills after 80,000 miles are very common. That's why it won't last. Again, this isn't just about repairs. These reliability issues hammer resale values. A Toyota Camry with 120,000 miles, still strong. A Nissan Altima with the same miles, dealers lowball you because they know the risk. If you are shopping in this space, look at alternatives. Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Mazda CX-5, or even the Hyundai Tucson. They're priced close to Nissans, but have stronger long-term reliability and a better resale value. Nissan makes cars that look good on the lot, but too often they're built to fail, built to break down before 100,000 miles. But don't let the low sticker price fool you. The repair bills and resale hit are brutal. Before you buy, make sure you got the real numbers. Dealer invoice pricing, side-by-side comparisons. You'll find it all at quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search engine used by thousands every single day to get the lowest deals in your zip code from qualified dealerships. Make, model, and zip code for the best deals at quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Believe it or not, right now there are SUVs that dealers simply can't move. They can't sell them. They're sitting on their lots for weeks, sometimes even months, collecting dust. And here's the wild part. That's great news for you if you're shopping used, because desperate dealers mean massive discounts. Today, I'm going to break down the SUVs that nobody wants right now, why they are struggling, and how you can use it to score a good deal. So according to Cox Automotive, days on lot for certain SUVs has shot past 100 days, when the average is about 60. That's inventory rot. And every extra day costs a dealer money and interest. So when they can't sell, they eventually cut, and they cut hard. Here are the SUVs you'll find stacking up on lots. Chevy Blazer, yeah, cool styling, but priced too high versus the competition. MSRP between 36 and 52 grand. Average MPGs is 22 city, 29 highway. The positives, obviously, sporty looks. Negatives, tight rear seats, and dealers are struggling to move them off the lots. Number two, Jeep Compass. Remember that one? Reliability issues heard it a lot. MSRP 28 to 37, fuel economy 24 and 32. Positives, yeah, off-road ability. Negatives, high maintenance costs. Compass units are sitting unsold for 3+ months. The Volkswagen Atlas, big, roomy, but resale value tanks. It's in the toilet. MSRP 38 to 54 grand. Fuel economy 20 city, 27 highway. Yeah, cargo space, but the negative, poor reliability scores. Dealers often pile on incentives to sell them. The Nissan Murano, again, an aging platform, means fewer buyers. MSRP between 39 and 48. Fuel economy 2028. Yeah, comfortable ride, but outdated interior. Days on lot over 120 days in some regions. The CX-30 from Mazda, surprisingly slow seller despite the reviews. 25 grand to 37 grand is the range. Fuel economy 26 and 33. Great driving dynamics, but cramped cargo space is a negative, often discounted on lots. The Ford Escape, overshadowed by the Toyota RAV4 and the CR-V, rightfully so, between 30 and 40 grand. Fuel economy 27-34. Decent technology, but lower resale. Inventory is bloated nationwide. Too much carbs. Buick Envision, crossover luxury light, but weak demand, between 35 and 47 grand. Fuel economy 23-31. Smooth ride, but brand perception is terrible. Dealers stuck with 90+ days in the lot with the Envision. Hyundai Santa Fe, midsize confusion, loses out to the Palisade for sure. Between 33 and 46 grand. I'd rather go for a Palisade. Fuel economy 25-31. Solid warranty, but depreciates quickly. Incentives are very common if you want one. The Dodge Durango, big and thirsty, like a big gulp. Between 41 and 70 grand. Fuel economy 14, terrible in the city, 22 highway. Muscle SUV appeal, yes, but the gas guzzling is terrible, aging design, and it's been sitting on lots for months. Mitsubishi Outlander, surprised about this one because it's a budget play, but low trust in the brand, between 28 and 40 grand, so it's affordable. Fuel economy 24-31. Warranty coverage is good, but the negativity is long-term reliability and concerns that people have. Dealers are discounting these heavily. I'm telling you, if a car is not selling, that's leverage in your pocket. But here's the catch. Some of these SUVs depreciate fast because of real quality issues. That means you can score thousands off MSRP today, but don't expect them to hold their value. And one more thing here, if you don't mind, I've been doing car reviews and news since 2012. Yeah, a long time. So please, take 2 seconds, click subscribe. It really helps support this channel. Thanks for watching. You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.